Good morning. So it's Monday 27th of November, last Monday in November, and of course I'm down at Monk's Walk for my 13th Hyperia construction update. So here we are, Monk's Walk again. I see right track. This is unbelievable, wow, my god. So yeah, this part is really new. Now some people say it's not gonna open for much, but wait. I mean, this is crazy. This is literally crazy. I mean, that part's really new. Still part white track. That must be just before the splashdown element. But look at this. Oh, we have movement. My god, look at this. So the last time was down here last Monday. The support here was only just being laid down, but yeah, look at that. As for the station for Hyperia, this is really coming along. I mean, really coming along. So, looks like these supports, it looks like connected to the station from this angle, but like from the others, it's something else. There's gonna be the lift hill. My god. So yeah, like them supports have, I mean, this is like last week when I was here, and it's certainly gone well over the catwalk, but I'm just wondering whether more track is being lifted or more support. Well, I reckon more supports is being put in. From the limited viewpoint from Monk's Walk, I see this is like final break run I'm adjacent to, but where that crane is, I reckon that's where the splashdown element is. Hang on, let me just try something. Right, I've just noticed another support. Obviously there's the crane. They must be putting more supports in, and I reckon probably gold track for the splashdown. I mean, there's the track there, and there's the support. Now, I don't know whether today I'm going to get to see support. I meant, well, obviously, yeah, the support's there, but I don't know if today I'm going to see gold track being put in. I mean, obviously the white track here is connected to that gold track. But yeah, My god, I can't believe it. Look at that. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god, our track is going up. Look at that. Wow. Oh yes. This is fantastic. Yeah, look at that gold track connecting to that white piece of track. I can't believe it. I'm really glad I managed to get here. So some great news from down Monk's Walk. I've just seen for the very first time actual Hyperia track going in. I haven't cut while I've been coming down, like doing this construction series, 13 episodes, not once have I seen Hyperia coaster track being installed until right now. There it is. The guys are just probably gonna bolt it all together, even that part. I think this element will come up just before the final brake run, and over the top there, back down to the station. So yeah, just look at that. My god, I can't believe I actually caught this part. Unbelievable. So they've connected that bit. I think it's down to this support now, but yeah, it's looking good. My god, can you believe it? So there you have it, some more coaster track installed. So that support there, and of course the bit of white track there. I mean, that's all I can see. Just look at that, my god. And yeah, they're going down. There it is. New track, wow. So, just seen that, wow. my first ever time seeing coaster track being put in for Hyperia. I mean, I've missed that first element, the brake run. It's just all been supports until this particular moment. I thought if I didn't get this, it'd be like maybe the lift hill, but yeah, that's been captured. More coaster track put in. Oh good, yeah. So I reckon that's even more coaster track. I don't know if that will be like coming out of the splashdown element or what. I don't know. But yeah, this is a better angle. So look at that, more track going in. That'll be the splashdown element. So I've decided to wrap up here just under, well, essentially the motorway by Monk's Walk. I'm just, well, really truly amazed that you get to sing coaster track, Hyperia coaster track being put in like that. It's something else really, and really glad that I've finally caught it on video. So yeah, anyway, if you enjoyed this particular construction update number 13, please give it a big thumbs up, it does help. Please do share, and please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Dave's Adventures. So yeah, until the next video.